Hi, my name is Mike Colleen. I'm the President and CTO for eSyncTraining, and we're pleased to bring to you the very first LTI solution that powerfully integrates Adobe Connect and Canvas. Just a couple quick notes about eSyncTraining. We were founded in 2009. We're an Adobe Connect partner. We're also a Canvas and Bridge Strategic Alliance partner, Kaltura, Bright Cove, and we focus on three key areas in the Adobe Connect ecosystem. Integrating systems with Adobe Connect, which you're going to see here in just a few moments. We build custom applications or pods for Adobe Connect so you can extend powerfully what's possible in the synchronous space, as well as being able to make these apps available on mobile devices for Adobe Connect. So let's see what's possible in integrating these two powerful products together. So with our LTI solution, you can easily decorate a single course or globally our Adobe Connect LTI integration for a Canvas course. And from within this integration, you'll have the ability to very easily create Adobe Connect meetings, have the class roster for Canvas completely synchronized to Adobe Connect, where it's creating the users in Adobe Connect, mapping them appropriately from the Canvas roles to Adobe Connect, and also having the recordings immediately available to your students, being able to edit those, be able to provide the students the recordings for Adobe Connect as MP4. Also, we have beautiful student reports that are branded that can easily be downloaded for the teacher across the entire course for all the students grouped by meetings. And we also have really two very interesting, unique features in being able to do virtual office hours and allowing an instructor to easily decorate their Canvas courses with their virtual office hours, or providing the ability for the students to form their own study groups, host their own Adobe Connect meetings, or allow the teacher to create these study groups and break them up into teams and allow a team leader to drive an Adobe Connect meeting. We've also done something that is really quite interesting that's never been done before, which is you also have the ability to load any Canvas test, quiz, or survey, all the question types within Canvas, load it into our EduGame Cloud, and be able to run those in real time inside of Adobe Connect. And then most importantly, save the results back to the Canvas gradebook. That's never been done before, and I'll be excited to show you how that works. So here we are within Canvas. As you can see here, we've got our LTI application loaded directly within a course. We have several ways in which you can map an Adobe Connect meeting to Adobe Connect. You have true single sign-on for the Adobe Connect meeting. If I click Join, that'll launch me into Adobe Connect. We also have the ability to allow you to give a name for the meeting, map to an existing Adobe Connect template. We have the optional information for the Adobe Connect meeting, and you can perfectly map your class roster and Canvas to Adobe Connect. It maps the teacher to the host role in Adobe Connect, the students to participants. You have the ability to define your own roles, even custom roles, and being able to do that. So the roster is completely synchronized to Adobe Connect as a scheduled task, so you don't have to manually do any type of synchronization between Canvas and Adobe Connect. We also have recordings, so you can go in and be able to either edit or delete or share those recordings. The recordings are made immediately available to the students. The teacher can run reports by attendees and by sessions and generate beautiful PDF reports that can be completely branded. We also have the ability, as I described, to take any Canvas test, quiz, or survey, run it in real time inside of Adobe Connect, and save the results back to the gradebook. eSyncTraining is very pleased to bring to you the solution that integrates Canvas beautifully with Adobe Connect, that creates a very streamlined experience for both your teachers, course administrators, and of course your students. This allows you to have very unique user experiences inside of Adobe Connect, as well as have all the Adobe Connect key functionality to be able to easily be able to use and set up right within Canvas. So thank you very much for watching.